Located between San Francisco and San Jose, in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University is recognized as one of the world's teaching and leading research institutions. It is known for its entrepreneurial character, drawn from the legacy of its founders, Jane and Leland Stanford. Stanford is dedicated to finding solutions to big challenges and to preparing students to make meaningful contributions to society as engaged citizens and leaders in a complex world. Come visit beautiful Stanford campus, take a student-led guided tour, and get a feel for academic and student life. Explore this beautiful and huge campus and discover Stanford University top places including the main quad, the Oval Place, the Memorial Court, Stanford Memorial Church, Hoover Tower, Stanford Main Bookstore and Gift Shop, the Visitor Center, or even walk to the Cantor Arts Center and Stanford Live. Let your private tour guide walk with you throughout the campus and learn more about Stanford. Did you know that there are 7,083 undergraduates and 9,437 graduates enrolled in 7 Stanford schools, including the School of Business, Economics, Engineering, Energy and Environmental Sciences, Education, Law, Medicine, Humanities and Sciences? Stanford campus is about 8,180 contiguous acres.